Shane Slavnik here at Dod RV. We're standing in front of another great product that will be on display this weekend at our open house Thursday through Saturday. It's a 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 298KB. Let's take a look inside. All right guys, here we are in the 298KB. Very awesome floor plan. Very unique dinette that only Coachmen Leprechaun offers. It's called a J lounge. It also turns into a U-shaped dinette area that turns into another bed. Up top, we've got another loft bed as well. Over here, we got theater seats directly across from the entertainment area. These seats are heated and massage. Very nice, very comfortable. Lots of cabinet space on this floor plan. Both seats do swivel, so you get extra entertainment. So if you do have extra guests, you've got all that covered. All right, here we are in the bedroom. King bed standard on this model. It's a 298KB. Very, very uncommon to have a king bed inside of your Class Cs. Another thing I like to show everybody, this model does come equipped with a washer and dryer combo. All right, right here we've got our bathroom in the back. Lots of counter space, cabinet space, and a nice stand-up shower. We've also got a nice wardrobe and a couple of dresser drawers. All right, everybody, there you have it. This weekend, our open house, Thursday through Friday, 9 to 5:30, Saturday, 9 to 4:30 with free lunch. So come on out, take a look at all the nice inventory we got available and take advantage of those low prices.